So iPhone XR to 11 Pro Max, how you can bypass the hello screen. In this video we are going to see that. So for this tutorial we are using the most premium tool in the market. It's called FRPFILE RAMDISK. So I just open the tool and now you have to simply connect your phone on normal mode like the lock screen. And after that, when it's connect, you can see the information on the tool. Now directly click the boot RAM disk and the phone will go to recovery mode automatically. Some other tool you have to enter the phone on recovery mode manually, but for this tool you can just one click and the phone will goes recovery mode. And after that you have to press and hold volume up and the down button to enter DFU mode. You just follow the instruction on the tool and do the same as like me. So your phone will be enter DFU mode. Alright, so our phone is now DFU mode. Now you have to click the boot RAM disk again, and here you need a Raspberry Pi board or Pico 2 board. So if you have this board, so you can continue the video, otherwise you can't do the work, so you have to skip from here. So buy this product from AliExpress and then you try this software. So I have already. Now I just connect this board with my computer and connect the same cable. Remove the cable from computer or laptop, then connect this with this board, and when you see the green signal, then just remove the cable from here and directly connect your computer or the laptop. Okay, so now you have to registration your ECID, otherwise you can't go the next process. So to register the ECID, you have to log in my website nunlocker.com and then go to place order IMEI service, and here you have to search FRPFILE. So you can see the FRPFILE RAM disk option on the upper side, and now you have to select FRPFILE hello screen option. Just click here and put your ECID here, then click place an order. So I already registered. Now click the boot RAM disk option. Now it's booting, and for the first time it's need some time to downloading some requirement file. So I already did this same device before, that's why my most file is already downloaded, so it's going to be good speed. But overall you need a good internet connection and good USB cable to do this work, otherwise it takes some time or sometimes it's show some errors. So to avoid all the errors, you have to ensure your internet connection is high speed. Okay, so after boot complete, you have to select bypass hello screen, no SN change. So after that your phone will be bypassed without doing any serial number changes. So there is take few seconds or few minutes, and after that your phone will be reboot, and basically the lock will be removed and you can log in your iCloud. But the work is not end, you have to do another step. So wait a moment, after open the device you have to log in iCloud first, and then you have to take the second step. So we are waiting to open the phone. Yeah, it's open. Now swipe. Okay, so the Face ID have some issue, we just fix it. So for the first you have log in your iCloud ID. So I am login manually. Okay, so I put my iCloud ID and the password and hit the signing button. So it's logging right now. Okay, so it's logged in. Now you download any application from the App Store to make some logs, make some story on this device. It's actually need for do the next process. So open the App Store. Now just download any software, any application. So I am downloading Gemini. Okay, so the Gemini is downloaded. Now you just simply close the tool and open again. Okay, so again the same process, you have to click the boot RAMDISK to enter recovery mode. Okay, so the phone is now on recovery mode. Again you have to enter on DFU mode. So click the start button and press and hold volume down and the power button. 4 seconds later release the power button, but keep holding the volume down button, and sometime later it will connect on DFU. Okay, so the phone is now on DFU. Now click the boot RAMDISK and click OK. Now connect again the Pico 2 board same way. So when it's green signal, now you just directly put your cable on the laptop and click the boot RAMDISK. And same here again, take few moment to booting, and after that we have to fix the Face ID and the camera. Sorry, actually our building is under construction, so there have some unnecessary noise. I'm sorry about that. Okay, it's booting. This is actually the most premium tool on the market, and it's a little expensive, but works perfectly. Okay, now you just simply click the fix Face ID and camera, and this is our last step. After complete it, your phone will be ready to use. You can do everything on this device. So it's perfectly completed. Now the phone is rebooting, and after that your phone will be everything okay, perfectly work. Alright, so thank you so much. See you on the next video. Till then, take care, and if you have any issue about this video, so you can comment below or directly message me on WhatsApp.